Since we till now install all the things, okay, and I also shown you how to open the terminal. So before proceeding anything, let me tell you something about sudo. You lot of time you heard about this thing. So the thing is, sudo is nothing but a root mode. Okay, so is there? Let me tell you one thing. So in order to open your Linux machine, so this is your Linux machine, right? So this Linux machine required, you can't perform all the operation in the Linux machine. In order to perform all the operation, only one guy have all the permit, is the guy whose name is root. Okay, so root is the user who have all the permits in order to perform all the operation, even let's say installation of the software, deletion of something. Okay, so these kind of operation and any file configuration changes, all these things, this root have the permission, right? But let's say I logged in here as Sanjit, because you seen my username is nothing but Sanjit, right? If you don't remember, let me show you. So here you go. Here you can see my username is Sanjit, right? Here you can see. So why I'm showing it? Since I am Sanjit, right? So let's say I want to install something to this Linux machine. Immediately, Linux will not allow. It will tell you are not supposed to run this command. You are not supposed to install this software because this is not your computer. By default, any computer belong to the person whose name is root. So what to do that? So there are two solutions. First one, log in as root, not as a normal user. But what to do if you don't know the root credentials? So second way is, you can run any command. Let's say root wants to install something. Okay, so let's say for installing, let's say he is typing install xyz software. But if you're going to write the same thing, let's say install xyz software, it will give you error because you are not root. So that moment of time you have to add sudo. So what will happen if you add sudo? When you add sudo in front of that, this guy will think you are not Sanjit, you are root, because sudo is a keyword attached with your command. So he thought, okay, root told him to do that. So immediately this guy will allow you, right? So then you will easily able to go here. Means he will allow you. You can go and install that. You can go and delete that. So for that purpose, we actually use root command, right? So I hope you are clear with how to use this root and sudo. So the concept of sudo is clear for you. So in the next session, I will show you about detailed how to use this, how to use sudo and root.